Let me show you how you can set up a one-on-one meeting in Calendly. Once you're in your account, click the create on the upper right and choose one-on-one, right? And here you can name it whatever you want. So I'm gonna just say, let's call it one-on-one, for example, meeting with Drew, for example, or whatever, right? Let's put it like that. Let's leave it for 30 minutes, but you can switch this to whatever you want. And we'll not say Zoom, but we can say in person. Here you can choose the address if you want to. So for the address, I'm gonna just write New York City Plaza. Let's choose number 101. For example, I'm just gonna make up something, guys. 101 room, 101 shop, store, whatever it is, right? You get the ideas, right? And you can put a note there. Note can be arrive 10 minutes before the meeting as an example, right? And here you can add location and so forth. You can see you can add location. It says let your invitees choose from multiple meetings location. You can add more and more and more location, but let's work with that. Yeah. And this is just one example, right? So I choose the in person. And if I wanted to choose, for example, Teams or whatever it is, I could choose that, or Google Meet, I could choose that as well. Now, you can choose the availability as well. That can be whatever. You can choose the availability. If you click here, you can choose between multiple days or remove the days that you don't want, or you can click on the schedule section and choose a custom day, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click view the calendar and just select 11th, let's say all Thursdays, for example, between that and that time, and click and apply. General idea. Yeah. Then once you're done, you can click and create. And that's it. So people will be able to book these one-on-ones, right? And that's it. So all you have to do is just share the link, copy the link in the upper right, and share with them. And once you're ready, just you finish, you can click and save and close, and that's it. If you don't share the link with them like that, you have the option to copy the link from this section here by copy link, and that's it. Here you can create a single use link if you want to. You can share it as well from here. Share availability. Here you can offer time slot if you want to, and here you can book some meetings. And yeah, that's how you can easily go ahead and, let's say, schedule one-on-ones in Calendly.